Good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. I'm Kushmit and here's my teammate Neev Ranka. We are from class 8, ATL Public School, Mysore.
We worked on the problem statement, developed a prototype of an automated device or machine that assists small-scale farmers in tasks such as planting, watering, or harvesting crops.
Irrigation is a crucial practice in agriculture that involves the artificial application of water to soil or land to assist in the growth of crops.
We spoke to 5 farmers who have agricultural land close to our school to understand what methods of irrigation they use. We discovered that they still use traditional methods of irrigation, such as ridge and furrow method, and they face challenges like labor shortage and damage caused due to sensitive seedlings that are grown in nursery bed and pro trays.
Based on the inputs that we received through the survey, we developed a semi-automated portable irrigation system prototype that will help farmers to water the nursery plants without causing damage to the sensitive seedlings, reduces water loss, and the system can be operated by a single person without the need for more labor in the process of watering.
Our prototype consists of components like tank to hold water, connecting pipes, nozzles for gentle discharge of water, chassis to hold the components together. We have provided 4 wheels attachment to the chassis that will run with the help of motors attached.
Water discharge will be controlled by using push button which will enable user to turn on the water pump whenever he needs to irrigate the nursery plants and he can turn it off when the system is not in use. We have given 2 nozzles for water discharge and the entire setup will move with the help of wheels that will be placed on the truck surrounding the nursery bed.
The forward and backward movement of and stopping of the system will be controlled with the help of DP-DT switch. Due to the presence of micro discharge of water through nozzles, it allows precise control over watering, ensuring that plants receive the right amount of moisture at the right time. This promotes healthy growth, reduces water wastage.
The portability of the system also enables flexibility in layout and facilitates maintenance tasks, contributing to overall nursery productivity and plant health.
By adopting this portable irrigation system to nursery beds, we can help farmers in an effective way.
I designed the logo, created a flowchart outlining the project, and developed a project model.
I did the documentation part, research work, and helped in model building.
Thank you.